In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a Tinkercad project the right way, whether you're working in 3D design, circuits, or Codeblocks. If you've ever finished a project in Tinkercad and wondered how to save it to your computer for 3D printing, editing in another program, or keeping a backup, this guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Tinkercad account and open the project you want to download. The process is a little different depending on which editor you're using, so we'll go through each one clearly. If you're working in 3D design, this is the most common method for downloading a model. Open your design in the 3D editor, then look for the Export button in the top right corner of the screen. Click it, and you'll see several export options. Under the section labeled for 3D print, choose either STL or OBJ. STL is usually the best choice if you're planning to 3D print your model, while OBJ can be useful if you want to open it in another design program. Once you select the file type, Tinkercad will automatically prepare the file and begin the download. After that, the file will be saved to your computer, and you can open it from your Downloads folder or import it into your Slicer or CAD software. If you're using Tinkercad circuits, the steps are a little different, because here you may want to download code, a PCB file, or a parts list. Start by opening your project in the circuits editor. If you want to download your Arduino code, click the Code button first, then look for the download icon, usually shown as a down arrow. Click that icon and Tinkercad will save your code as an .ini file. This is very helpful if you want to reuse your code later or upload it directly into the Arduino IDE. If you need the PCB file instead, click the Send To button in the top right. From there, choose Eagle with the .brd option, and Tinkercad will export the board file for you. If you want a list of all the components used in your circuit, click the Component List icon, which usually looks like a table. Then select Download CSV to save the parts list as a spreadsheet file. That can be really useful for inventory, documentation, or buying extra parts. Now, if you're using Codeblocks in Tinkercad, the download process also has its own options. Open your Codeblocks project, then click the Export button in the top right corner. From there, you can choose STL if you want to save the generated 3D shape, or SVG if you need it for laser cutting or vector-based work. This makes it easy to take your Codeblocks creation into other tools or manufacturing workflows. A quick tip before you finish: always double-check that you're exporting the correct project type and file format. If you choose STL for a 3D model or INO for a circuit sketch, you'll have a much smoother workflow when moving your project into other software. And if your download doesn't start right away, wait a moment and check your browser's download bar or downloads folder. So to recap, for 3D design, use Export and choose STL or OBJ. For circuits, use code for .ini files, Send To for Eagle.brd files, or Component List for CSV files. And for Codeblocks, use Export and choose STL or SVG. That's it. You now know exactly how to download a Tinkercad project in the format you need. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.